So I kind of just stopped recording, but I need to start packing and I just don't have the energy, or I just don't have the energy to start packing. Also gonna talk to you guys about a product that I got sent, and I figured I would just talk about it on here too. But let me see where, but it's the lollipop monitor, and as you know, well, of course it's a baby monitor, but it's the sleekest baby monitor I've seen yet. And I don't know, if you guys want to know more about it, you can check out my Instagram because I have a whole story about it. Or will I eventually will, because I just finished recording it, but I just haven't uploaded it, and I need to by the end of today. So wish me luck. I gotta pack, I have to edit, I have to post. It's just, I need a second cup of coffee. Start it before I keep procrastinating. So, hey guys, so it's a while later. A long while. I started with Juliet's stuff. So I started taking out the stuff that I'm gonna take for her to the beach. I thought I would show you guys. I did go a little bit overboard with like the bathing suits. I bought her, so let me show you what I got her. So I got her this cute bathing suit, which I can't wait to take pictures of her in this because it's like so cute. I also got her this one, and this one I sized up to size, I think 18 months to 24 months, because this one was the last one and it barely fit her, but I really wanted to buy her this one, and it was the last one, and I was not gonna wait like over a week to get it if I ordered it online. So I went ahead and got it. It's kind of tight on her, but it fits her. And I got her this one. I love the colors in this one. Just a fun little bathing suit. And then I got her, well, my mom bought her this one. I thought it was the cutest thing ever. I was actually gonna, we were at the store, I went shopping with my mom and we were at the store and I was actually gonna get it for her, but my mom was like, no, let me get it. So thank you mom for getting Juliet this really cute bathing suit. And these two are from Old Navy, if you guys were wondering. I will have a link down in the description, so make sure to check that out. And this one is Jessica Simpson. I'll try to find a link for this one, so make sure, if I do, it'll be in the description, so make sure to check that out too. I keep thinking my husband is here. But yeah, this one is actually in size 24 and it fit her perfectly. Not too tight and not too loose, so I got her this one. And guys, be on the lookout for my next video because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway with Jord watches, and they're so nice. They're like Michael Kors, but really nice. Hold on, let me show them first. I actually told them to send my husband one. They were like, do you want a woman's watch or a men's watch? And I was like, no, you know what, I don't really wear watches like that, and I know my husband would like really appreciate it, so got him this one. If only it would focus. But it's really cute, guys. Like, it's really cute. They gave me like 10 different styles to choose from, but I chose this one. So I thought it was really cute. The wood, oh my god. But yeah, guys, be on the lookout. But yeah, guys, be on the lookout for that because I will be doing a giveaway with Jord, and it'll be up on my Instagram really soon. So, and it's $100 giveaway, so make sure to check that out on my Instagram soon though. I will actually get on here first and give you guys the deets, and then I'll post it on my Instagram so you guys get like a little advantage. But yeah, so be on the lookout for that. Anyways, back to Juliet's stuff. Let me put this back. Okay, let me put this back because yeah. Okay, so that's what I have so far right there. Juliet's stuff for the beach. And yeah, these are her bathing suits, like I said. I love how this one has adjustable straps, that way I'll be able to adjust it. But guys, it's going to be a like 8-hour trip, so that's why I'm kind of filming today, so I can edit while I'm on the way over there. So wish me luck, guys, because it's a really long drive. Hey guys, so
say the toes.
Thank you. I was about to say, even without air. Anyways, guys. Hello. So we came to my parents' house because we're leaving tomorrow, and I just wanted to say and kind of be with them. I don't know, I always do that. Do y'all do that whenever you're about to go out somewhere with your in-laws? You feel like you just need to visit your family before you go.